Planong sampahan ng perjury cases ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ang dalawang environmental activist na sina Jed Tamano at Jonila Castro. Ginawa ang pahayag sa plenary debate ng Kamara para sa panukalang pondo ng Department of National Defense o DND sa susunod na taon. Mariin naman itong tinuligsa ni Kabataan Party List Representative Raul Manuel. September 19 nang iharap ng National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict o NTF-ELCAC sa media ang dalawang kabataan upang pabulaanan ang aligasyon ng pagdukot. Gayunman, inihayag ng mga itong dinukot sila ng militar at tinakot umano. Nanindigan naman ang AFP na may saksi nang pumirma ang mga ito ng affidavit at hindi sila pinilit.
The AFP plans to file perjury cases or charges against the two. There are witnesses who were there during the signing of said affidavit, not only of voluntary surrender as well as the signing of said affidavit. The PAO lawyers were there, the stepfather of one of the ladies were there, and they were even asked if they were coerced into signing by her stepfather, and she denied being coerced.